Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Unpacking investment lessons from James Bennet's NYT takedown, Bayer's Roundup victory, and Intel's potential split. Exploring Nano Dimension's Strategy's bid and predicted M&A surge in 2024. Soaring airline profits on the horizon and Manchester United's billion-dollar stake sale. Plus, Baird's top medtech picks for 2024, spotlight on Alcon and Axonics. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these captivating headlines. James Bennet, an editor at The Economist, has voiced criticism towards the business model of the New York Times. He suggests that the renowned newspaper is grappling with a challenging balancing act, maintaining its liberal reputation while also preserving journalistic independence. Bennet further points out a significant shift in the industry's revenue model. It's moving away from being primarily advertising-based to focusing more on subscribers, especially as competition in digital media continues to heat up. Despite recent achievements such as surpassing 10 million subscribers and witnessing a stock increase of 40% in 2023, there are still concerns about the New York Times valuation and growth potential. Some analysts are questioning these aspects due to the intense competition within the industry.
Bayer's unit, Monsanto, has emerged victorious in a product liability trial in California concerning Roundup. The company insists that the weed killer does not cause cancer. This verdict comes on the heels of recent high-profile losses for Bayer, including a hefty $1.56 billion payout ordered by a Missouri jury last month. This payout was awarded to 4 plaintiffs who alleged that Roundup was responsible for their non-Hodgkin's lymphomas. Despite these setbacks, Bayer continues to stand by the safety of Roundup and cites backing from regulatory bodies such as the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency.
Intel is setting its sights on competing with Taiwan Semiconductor and Samsung, and may consider dividing into 5 distinct units. These would include Mobileye, Altera, a foundry division, IMS Nanofabrication, and a products division. According to analyst Gus Richards' forecast, this move could potentially boost Intel's value by half. Each separate entity might hold more individual worth than their combined value. This includes an estimated $30 billion for Mobileye and $12 billion for Altera. The independent foundry unit has the potential to rise as the world's second largest, trailing only behind Taiwan Semiconductor.
Nano Dimensions, a manufacturer of 3D printers, has proposed an all-cash acquisition of its competitor, Strategy's. The offer stands at $16.50 for each share, which is a 26% increase from Strategy's closing price last Friday. Currently, the proposal is being evaluated by the board of Strategy's. This comes after several earlier offers from Nano Dimensions were turned down by Strategy's on grounds that they undervalued the company.
High expectations are set for a surge in merger and acquisition activity come 2024, thanks to more lenient borrowing conditions and the ability of companies to withstand antitrust regulators. We've already witnessed substantial deals, one being Bristol-Myers Squibb's acquisition of Karuna Therapeutics for a whopping $14 billion. Even though there's been a decrease in M&A value this year, industries such as cybersecurity and semiconductors are forecasted to experience an upswing. Additionally, private equity firms possessing considerable uninvested capital are anticipated to further stimulate M&A activity in the upcoming year.
Forecasts for 2024 indicate a prosperous year for major U.S. airlines including Delta, United, and American. The International Air Transport Association projects the global airline industry to earn a net profit of $25.7 billion, marking an increase from the projected $23.3 billion in 2023. Revenue is anticipated to reach an unprecedented high of $964 billion in the same year. Furthermore, approximately 4.7 billion people are expected to travel by air in 2024, surpassing the previous record of 4.5 billion set in 2019.
Sir Jim Ratcliffe, a billionaire from Britain, has consented to purchase a stake of 25% in Manchester United. This transaction is worth $1.3 billion and sets the club's value at $5.4 billion. The agreement also encompasses an extra $300 million intended for future investment into the Old Trafford Stadium. The completion of this sale is contingent upon receiving regulatory approvals, including those from the Premier League.
Baird Investment Bank has chosen Alcon, Stryker, the Cooper Companies, Axonics, and Boston Scientific as the leading medical technology choices for 2024. Even though this sector has lagged behind the S&P 500 for 3 consecutive years, Baird perceives potential due to diminishing worries about GLP-1 drugs and increasing margins. Additionally, the bank forecasts a recovery in margins in 2024 owing to the launch of new products and normalization of supply chains.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed. Until next time, keep turning ideas into opportunities. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.